There are different kinds of research. There's some research that is very fundamental, where you work on fundamental principles and more theoretical kind of research. And then there's another type of research that's more applicable and you can see its application. My research is more on the applicable side.
Computer graphics, that's really one of the very strong area in computer science department. Information security, networking, these are very strong areas.
The facilities here at the department are amazing. You can go and work on the Mac labs. We also have Linux labs, high-performance computing labs. We have lots of facilities which are very nice.
Another area that's really come up for us in the last couple of years is this whole new, very exciting area of biomimetics and bio-inspired engineering. Basically, this is a new field, bio-inspired engineering, and the idea here is to look at nature, look at the machines that have been designed by nature, and try to understand how these machines are working in nature and try to extract their design principles and put them into engineering machines. So right now, the Air Force is actually interested in building aircrafts that are about the size of your thumb. It turns out that when you start to build a small aircraft, you want to build a small aircraft, everything you know about aerodynamics and aerospace engineering essentially goes out of the window. We're trying to understand how butterflies fly. We're trying to understand what are the principles, aerodynamic principles, wing design, body design, everything about butterflies, what makes them fly so well. Here's a wonderful micro flying machine that has already figured out how to solve the problem of flight.
In one particular case, I just started a lab for motion capture, and this is kind of technology that's used in games and movie industry to capture the motion of human beings by attaching markers. In this particular project, we have collaborators from Department of Orthopedics, Psychology, Anthropology, Dance. I mean, it's really an exciting way to work. This interdisciplinary nature is the thing that really excites me and really excites my students.
We have extensive resources and expertise in area of crash analysis. Both from a physical perspective, we actually conduct physical crash tests of the full vehicle to get a better understanding of the safety systems and their performances, as well as we do crash simulation in a virtual environment. That means we create complete structural models of a vehicle, occupants in the vehicle, and all the barriers that the vehicle may interact with.
If I don't have the graduate students working with me, I would not be able to do this type of work.
My graduate students are involved in this project. They've participated in the design of the mechanical design of the instrument, and now they're working on characterizing and testing that instrument and how it performs. It's a wonderful way to give graduate students hands-on practical experience in the lab. GW is fortunate to have so many national labs and facilities right in the DC metro region. And so it oftentimes gives our graduate students a unique opportunity to go over and work in their facilities and have hands-on experience with top-rate, highest quality instrumentation and facilities.